I'll open. Okay, so, oh yeah, these are my 20 words. Oh crap, hope you can see them. 1, 2, 3, all the way to 20. Yes? Alright, fine. Well, my summary is going to go about globalization and global trends in green real estate investments. The global climate change has been forcing the real estate industry to change with meaningful measures. Tenant space requirements, global government regulations, and socially responsible investments have been forcing the real estate industry for more greener construction. In recent years, there has been an explosion in sustainable buildings, and investors have been slow to react to this and failed to seize the opportunities. The tenant demands more sustainable homes to live in, and since the investors fail to invest in those, a large proportion of those projects have been initiated either by the government or by the tenant itself. Opportunities are there for the investors, and they need to rise to the level of the global green standard. The new standard for buildings will be the Class A buildings, energy label A. Although with the new buildings there are various risks. Every real estate is different and every region is different. So you have regions with higher risk rate and lower risk rate. That just varies. The public markets will be expected to grow with more sustainable buildings. You also can get premium returns through green buildings. This is pretty much the summary in short.
Here are my words. 1 to 20. Yes. The summary is about what is a green building. There are many definitions about what a green building is, or does, of course, ranging from building that's not as bad as the average building, or buildings that are notably better. The ideal green project preserves and sustains a natural habitat. Becomes a net producer instead of a net consumer by exporting. Sorry.
No problem. It's all right. You're doing great.
Becoming a net producer and exporter of energy, water, and so on, rather than a net consumer. Trying to make the healthiest environment by building a green building. It's been demonstrated that many green strategies and technologies actually cost the same as normal buildings, and some even cost less than normal buildings, or actually as a conventional one. For example, the use of high performance by using high performance glass, you can get a reduction in the size of the cost and the energy bill.
That's awesome.
Well, the result of using these projects is a building that has comparable or perhaps lower cost than a conventional building, and of course a lower energy use. Well, why would you make a decision to build green? It's critical to make a decision to build green early in the process of building a building to maximize the green potential. When you do it later in the process, you starts the redesign, so you don't have to do it later, of course.
All right.
Making a commitment to build green. Must be done as early as possible.
So it's better for the environment?
Well, so you save costs for later.
Oh yeah.
Well, I think that's the summary of
The text.
my text.
All right.